All right, so this is done exporting, and so now we can hop into layout, click on this drop down, and go to conduct drawings, like that. And then let's see. All right, so we exported out this new plan. I just kind of want to see what this is all about. Let's see. We've got option B, and then and we just kicked out these other plans. I'm just gonna delete some of these other plans for now. I mean, oh yeah, we don't need these right now. Let's see. What does our presentation plan look like? Did we not kick out the color presentation plan? We did sketch. Let me check on that. Export, and so we didn't get our color presentation plan. All right. So here's a lesson to be learned. We'll just go over here and drag and drop what we want. Let's do that first. All right. So we're not going to use that one. We're going to add a scene, and we're going to drag and drop these section perspectives. And so one there, and then I think this looks kind of cool. Is if we leave them in that same perspective, you can like scoot them into place and arrange them so they almost like get that same perspective going. But I don't know if there's gonna be a good way. I'm gonna right click on this, arrange, and bring to front. It's kind of like, I don't know if there's like a good place where they line up and kind of make sense. Just see those. That's fine. I'm just gonna kind of scoot them around on the page, not try to be too clever. Like that. This is the main section. Can scale this out like that. Let me update my reference. Update that. Since that reference already existed, we got to reload it first. All right, so now we're probably gonna have to we got to just redrop these guys. So let's go one more time over here, drop this guy in, and then drop this guy in. And so this will go in the top left, and this right click, arrange, bring to front will go bottom left and make it just a little bit bigger like that. All right, and then these walls, could use trimming, but let's see what that looks like. So these interior walls, I can just go in here, use my line tool, and I'll just kind of trim both those guys, and this and this. All right, and so we're gonna pull these guys down. Double click to repeat the last one. That one I'll yeah, I think we'll just kind of button this up like that. And yeah, so those walls are down there. And I'm going to actually, I got to get rid of that. Get rid of these and those and those. Okay. Like that. Save it. Over here, we can go to update and just see how our section looks if it's a little bit better. Cool. Walls dropped. We're good. Okay. All right, so that looks good. And then these interior perspectives, we can drag and drop those. So we'll do 1, 2, and 3, like that. All right, and then these guys, you can like click and drag them around, and like that. And then I would just scale all of them like this. Yeah, I guess we can kind of make them a different aspect ratio, kind of make them tall. See what that looks like. All right, and then let's stretch them this way, like that. Yeah. So nudge one this way, nudge one this way. Let me check my paper setting. I think I did put that on. No, it was on low. Just a little slow. All right, so let's just try that. See what that looks like. I don't think I'm going to like this at all. I want it to be wide angle. So, yeah, that's not helping in any way. Better off like making 3 more. So, All right, so we'll just kind of center these on the page. I think it'll be fine. Or we could stretch 2 and keep 1 like super wide angle. That'd be kind of cool. So let's try that. Just to make a different arrangement on the page. All right. It is going a little slow though. I might have to look into that. All right, so these two like this. And you know, when it's rendering slower, you know, it's not, well, if you know, I'm confident it's not my machine, and it's not SketchUp, and it's not LayOut. It's something that you put in the model. You know, that's always the deal. It's like, you know, there's probably, if it's run a little bit slow, there's something I did that, you know, like this, like guaranteed this green wall is not helping our cause here. So before I went too far into it, I would just be like, you know, let's delete this green wall and see if it frees it up, and if that's a likely culprit. So anyway, there's our super wide angle. That'll be kind of cool. And you know, I didn't put too much thought into which one's which, but I think, you know, we'll just get this thing knocked out for now. Again, we're just looking for some more feedback. You know, this isn't like a true design project for me. It's like more of just helping them understand their ideas and then nudge them in a direction. So try not to get like too far into any design, you know, just kind of run off of theirs. So so I want to scoot this view forward so they can see the couch. So let me find that one. This is you know, I just want to check it's interior perspective 3. All right, so I'm going to hop over here, go to my scenes, and here's our interior perspective 3. I'll scoot forward just a bit, kind of turn. All right, and then I'm just going to right click and choose update, save it like that, and then hop over here, and then I can even just right click because I'm already here, and I can choose update model reference. All right, that's better. Yeah, because now it's super distorted and it's kind of a artsy thing here, but like I just want to be able to like see that whole room and understand it. That's the point of this one. All right, back out of there. The other two views I'm happy with. All right, like that. And let's see. Let's go back to our comments. All right, yeah, we're good on our comments. Just as far as like setting this up. You know, we have proposed floor plan, option A, our existing, all right, and then option A, option B. So now, you know, we need to get something in here. So we have our sketch presentation plan. And that's, you know, we're seeing it here. So yeah, that's our sketch. That's the same one. So you know, we already have this, except this is option B. This is option A. There you go. So there's the sketch plan. Although that looks more like a CAD plan. Let's try the sketch plan. Yeah. This one's got a better sketch look. So I'm just gonna let me be real precise with this. I want to get my this new drawing I just brought in, and I'm going to use my precise move grip and do top right corner to top right corner, hold shift and invert my selection and then delete. So now we just swap that out for the sketch plan, and then we have option B, which I still stand behind. So, you know, I guess this is a good point to like comment on design. I just think that this is too snug. You know, I don't think I'm going to offer another option this time, you know, without getting some more feedback. But just to comment on this, it's too snug, and I still like this option, but there's something about this that they don't like. So, you know, maybe we just gotta keep working in this direction. I guess if I were to work with this one, you know, if anything, I would just shrink these offices down until you have enough room to do this. You know, why not just run 3 offices along The wall here, it's a possibility. So let's see. Just think for just a moment here. All right, so I think we'll just export out. Let's adjust this presentation though. We have option, this is our option B. So the existing floor plan, I'll leave that in there. They did ask for that midweek. Existing floor plan, proposed option A, proposed option B, which is not a sketch plan. That's okay. And option B relates to my plan, whereas these are going to be option A. All right. So I'm just going to put this page in front here, option A, and we'll just call it option A again. Option A, section perspectives. I might do a space section perspectives. That, and this is going to be option A plan, option B, and then this is going to be option A. I'll copy this and we'll call this just perspectives, like that. Okay, and then option B, which they're not a fan of, I guess. Okay, so I think this is good enough. I guess I'm just kind of calculating in my head how far I want to get in. Again, I'm just kind of hesitant. So anyway, I think this is good enough just to send over and say, here is your idea. It's still really snug, and where do we go from here? So let's do that. I'm just gonna go to File, Export PDF. Kick this out to exports folder. Today is 200304. It's March 4th, like that. And then I'll do the same thing down here, 200304, like that. And we're going to export that whole thing and take a look at it as a PDF. Give that just a moment to export. All right, so that exported. Take a look at our folder. And here's our exports folder for today, and open that up, and here it is. So I always just take a lap through, make sure everything's showing up the way I want it to. Option A, and same deal there. We get some nice section perspectives. Take a look, and yeah, it could have been handy just to see a cut through here to really accentuate or call out that this is not ideal. So this makes it look like it's workable, whereas I think a section cut right here would really show that it's not workable. This kind of shows it. This shows it. This shows it. So I think we're in good shape there. And then that's option B. So anyway, all right, cool. Yeah, so that wraps up this session, and I'm going to ship this off, and then let's see where that gets us. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, LayOut, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.